something completely different, totally different. Domino's is my absolute favorite pizza in the whole wide world. I'm Canadian, I love Domino's. Canadian and American Domino's pizza are the best pizza, according to me. So tonight, because we're in Bangkok, Thailand, we're gonna try Domino's in Thailand. Ready? Come with me. A large pepperoni extra cheese, and we're gonna have a large extravaganza with no chicken sausage. Excited to be eating American food today.
I want some cheese.
Oh, we haven't had cheese for like 5 weeks, and I am dying to have cheese. Not a slice of pizza for over 5 weeks, and normally we have pizza every single Saturday. Very excited. So the pizza just arrived, and here in Thailand they give you all these sauces. What is this? Do you know what this is?
It's almost like a spicy ketchup.
It says tomato ketchup. We won't need
spicy.
that, so I'll probably hand that back in. And then we get some kind of seasoning. And what else?
I think this is like pizza seasoning.
Okay.
Might be good to try.
Okay, well, let's open it up and see what they look like. So here is the pepperoni extra cheese.
Looks good.
It does smell good, it looks good. They don't have pan crust in Thailand, but they do have the hand tossed, so we'll try it out. I'm a pan crust girl. Oh, Vern's looks really good.
Look at that.
That looks really good. Okay, I'm drilling. Let's try a piece. Okay, ready to try my first bite of Thailand Domino's pizza.
So this is extra pepperoni and cheese. It's really, really hot right now. And is it like at home? Almost.
It's close. But I really love cheese.
And there's cheese.
And I really love pizza.
There is cheese.
And I would say it's very, very close to home. Very close. I actually think the pepperoni is different. I think it's a little smaller and a little spicier. But I'd say the crust is very, very, very identical to what we would have in Canada for a hand-tossed crust. And I would also say that the amount of cheese on the pizza isn't as much as we would put in America, Canada specifically. The cheese here is very, very expensive. There isn't a lot of, I shouldn't say there's not a lot of dairy. There is dairy, but it's not as popular here. So, very close. Okay, so Vern got an extravaganza, pan-tossed crust again because they don't have pan.
The pepperoni ham, olives, green peppers. Supposed to be chicken sausage on here, but I told them not to put any on.
No chicken sausage.
More pepperoni. So let's see. Almost like at home.
Almost.
Something's a little different.
Yeah, the sauce.
I think maybe it's the sauce.
Yeah, I think the sauce.
It's very, very close. That is very good. Never thought I'd finish a 12-inch now that my stomach has shrunk because I've been eating way less food here than I do normally at home.
that I just finished a 12-inch pepperoni, extra cheese, hand-tossed pizza. I'm full, but I could probably have another piece. What are you doing with those pieces of crust?
I'll eat them.
We have
Basically, mine's gone. Extravaganza. I would say come for sure to Domino's in Bangkok, Thailand. It's really good. I enjoyed every bite. And, it's almost like home, so come and try it.
There's a hand washing station in the restaurant. We enjoyed our experience today at Domino's in Bangkok, Thailand. Definitely highly recommend coming. The pizza was only $8 per person for a 12-inch 4-topping pizza. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.